this way. This is a cart that I've seen before, but some people may not recognize this as a golf cart. Looks more like a Camaro. Tell me a little bit about what we're looking at here today.
So it's built off of a Club Cart Precedent frame, and we did the body kit and upgraded the seats, the wheels, the suspension underneath, and it's running a Navitas 850, 7.5 kilowatt motor.
And when you say, so back to the body kit real quick. So the body, literally, it just fits right on to, for those who don't know much about golf carts and how all this stuff works, it's literally just a body kit that fits on the frame.
Right. It's a fiberglass that they made a mold of for the Chevy Camaro.
Okay.
Right? And to fit on the Club Cart Precedent.
And does this hood actually work? Or is that
the
just
hood?
Okay?
Yeah, well, it's supposed to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll open it right now.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
no, that's cool.
Yeah, but it opens and closes, and it's a storage container.
Okay.
You know.
Very cool. And then is this an all sport windshield?
It's an all sports windshield that we had to adjust a little bit to get it to fit onto this body.
Okay.
So, but it is for the Club Cart Precedent.
Got it. Okay. So, and now tell me, so you got custom seats, you said?
Yep, custom seats. We added some more foam to them, and we really like the brown with the blue.
Yeah,
it looks really good.
It does look good.
Yeah.
And then is this just a standard golf cart front end as far as the dash and stuff like that, right?
Right.
We haven't added. There's no Navitas screen. There's no all that stuff. That's just run through the programmer.
Just standard. Yep, just standard. We kind of built this for Braggin Rights, to a couple of years ago, to get a. Make it look nice and go fast.
Yeah. And what's your top speed on this one that you tracked?
This one we hit 75 on it. Yeah.
That's awesome.
So it's stock gearing, but it's 850, 7.5, and it has the Skunk Works 76 230 amp hour battery.
Okay. Very good. And then tell me about the wheel and tire setup.
Yeah, so we went with two different we went with a little bit wider tire in the front for the handling, and then there 15s in the back and 14s in the front, and just for the ride.
Yeah.
These tend to grab a little bit better. We do swap them out to slicks when we are racing at the track.
Okay.
To grab somewhat better.
That's cool. Anything that I'm not seeing that you guys have done that maybe underneath or anything like that kind of...
Yeah. So when we first built it, we did have audio. We had some Sound Extreme towers on the back, but we pulled them off for the races, lightened it up a bit. We did the wiring for the lighting and the lights in the front is all custom. There's, that didn't come with the body and stuff like that. We had to fit all that. We actually, for the rear, we used the Mad Jack's Alpha body.
Okay.
For the rear, for the tail lights. So we took a kit and we kind of split it and put it together that way.
Got it.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, very well done. So when you say these are custom, is this a custom upholstered on top of existing cushions or a combination of?
Right. It's made off of the base is off of the Club Cart Precedent, and then all the upholstery has been done.
Okay.
Extra foam. And the design for it. So
seat is all built just like the original, or is that something?
No, these are all sports. These are all sports
framing here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Got it. And does that change the position of the seat, or is it more just to be able to do what you want with it?
Right. So we didn't want to put a seat kit on it. We wanted a 2-passenger. We didn't want the factory look out of it. This gives it more of a sleek, and it gives you more of that racing type atmosphere is what's really what we wanted.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, this is one that, like I said, I've seen before. I've seen it race, so I've seen the speed.
Yeah.
It's always something to catch your attention because it's got that Camaro body and stuff like that. So you guys done a pretty good job here. This is fun.
My son actually, this past Braggin Rights, my son won the bracket with this.
Oh, cool.
And he got second place in another bracket. I'm not sure, but he did win the big bracket with it.
That's awesome.
He was very, very consistent.
Awesome. Yeah. And that includes time off the line as well as the full speed and all that kind of
Right.
stuff too. Yeah.
Right.
Very cool.
Yeah, it was good for him. He was happy to be able to do it.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
And it's nice, you know, a family business, and then it's nice to see him, you know, be able to win that.
Right.
You know,
That's fun.
so,
You guys done a great job.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thank
you
you.
taking the time to
Yeah.
come out here with me today.
yeah, appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.